Hello everyone! Do you have a great weekend? Yes, then we start with this regular Sudoku, a medium regular Sudoku in 2 days. Newspaper on Monday, September the 14th, 2020. Yes, only one regular Sudoku. There is also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus, and I think there are a lot of extra Sudokus. I believe I do not know how many, maybe 7, I believe. So a lot of extra Sudokus. It's getting more. It will be my day job, I believe. Anyway, this Sudoku will be number 1520, and before I start I always count the printed numbers so you have an indication of the difficulty level if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudokus in the additional. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10, 14, 17, 19, plus 4 is 23, plus 4 is 27. So if you compare, it is a 1 star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I use? Well. I see a lot of options. Let me see. An 8 in this column. The last column. 8 in the column next. So that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. And then a 9 in this row, a 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes and there. Then Yeah. This big square, we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. So we have a 2 in the first column, a 2 in the second column, in one of these 2 boxes. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so in the row between. The only place for the 2 should be there. And then 3 missing numbers in this middle column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 7 and 5. 7 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Yeah. How about the number? 4 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here, here, or there. We see here 6, so no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6 in this row. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 6 in this last row, 6 in the row above, so in that row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. Let me mark them for you, it's easier to follow. It means the other 2 numbers in the last row are for the numbers 2 and... Oh no, we have a 2 here. 8 and 7. 8 and 7, let me mark them for you. It's a pair, it's a pair. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 5 and 3. 5 and 3, let me mark them for you. It's a pair again. Alright, so, and now, let me see. 8, that means 3 missing numbers in this third column. One of the missing number here in the third column is the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so on the row below. The only 2 places for the 8, here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing in the third column, and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the number 3 in this row? 3 in that row, so in the middle row. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 5. The 9, 7. Alright. Let me think. 4, 3, 5. Yeah. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. These 3 numbers should be the 1, the 2, and the 5. 1, 2, 5, we see here 2 and a 5, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you, so 1 digit left should be the 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this first row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 1. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes in there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 1 number left in the third column for the number 7. 7 is missing. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 9 are missing. Let me see. No, I cannot fill this yet. 7 and a 9. Let me mark them for you. Yeah. All right. So we have a 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the first column: the 7, the 8, and the 9. 7, 8, and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. The 7 and the 8 are missing now. I cannot fill this yet. 7 and the 8. But this box, 1 box left in this big square, should be the 7. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be the 8. 1 box left in this first column for the number 8. 2, 4, 9. Yeah. All right. We have a 5 now, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 3. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers and 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So in the second row, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. 2 is missing. Yeah, 2 is missing. So we have a 2 in this first row, a 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9. Yes. 4 and the 9, and the 6 is also here missing. 2, this row, 2 and the 7 are missing. 2 and the 7, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 4 and the 7. We We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 9, and the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to, subscribe. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you soon with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Bye bye for now.